Holafly versus Orange Travel, which one is better? Let's find out. Holafly offers unlimited data eSIMs for over 200 destinations, including Europe, Asia, and the Americas. Their plans are ideal for short to medium-term travelers who need reliable, high-speed internet without the hassle of physical SIM card. Activation is straightforward via QR code or their mobile app. However, Holafly's pricing is on the higher side, especially for longer stay. On the other hand, Orange provides a range of eSIM plans tailored for travelers, including data only and data plus voice options. Their plan covers over 200 destinations and are known for reliable coverage and competitive pricing. Activation is quick and easy through their app. A downside is that some plans may not support high-speed data in all regions. Now, let's compare them side by side. While Holofly excels in providing unlimited data with broad coverage, it is more suited for short-term travelers due to its higher pricing. Orange offers a variety of plans with competitive pricing, making it a versatile choice for various trip lengths. However, its coverage and data speed may vary depending on the region. Choose Holafly if you need unlimited data for a short trip and value simplicity. Opt for Orange if you're looking for a range of plans with competitive pricing and don't mind checking coverage details for your destination. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos like this. As always, thank you for watching. Until next time.